Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Eufy C28. If you're interested in the C28, the link to it will be in the video description. We'll also have linked our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, and a link to our daily vacuum deals website. So, without further ado, we have our C28 right here. Step one is to make sure your unit's powered on. So, ours is illuminated, right? So our lights are on. It wants to start cleaning. We're not going to let it do that, but our unit is on right there. We can go ahead, we can remove the top cover, and that's going to reveal this reset button right there that we need to press. So make sure your unit's just powered on. Grab a tiny tool, a SIM removal tool would be ideal. And then you're just going to go ahead, you're going to press and hold this button down for about 3 seconds. Okay, and as soon as we press the button, the lights went off. We're going to let go. And now, with the unit in this current position, just go ahead, press the power button. And then we're going to let go once we see the light there. And now it's booting back up. That's how you factory reset the Eufy C28. Press the reset button for about 3 seconds with the unit powered on. The lights will shut off. Then you can go ahead and just turn it back on. You'll hear the startup chime and everything you're seeing right here. But that's how you factory reset your C28 to have it like new again. And then you would repeat the process to reset it back up in the app and all of that. But that's how you factory reset everything like you're taking it out of the box again for the first time.